Hello, in this guide I will show you how to install Android example app with Temp Number Backend. If you haven't installed Temp Number Backend yet, then please follow this link and install it. So at first we need to clone a repository. I already did it, and I added my project to Android Studio. Then if you follow the Temp Number Backend setup guide, you already have a Firebase project, and we need to add Android app to it. I already added Android app in my Firebase project, but if you didn't, press Android add app, Android, use your unique package name, and follow the next steps. In the end, you will get Google Services JSON. If you use Google Sign In, then you need to add SHA1 key. And after that, you can download Google Services JSON by pressing this button. Then we need to configure our app. So we need to go to Migrandle and change application ID to the same value that we used to when we created Android application in Firebase. And after that, you need to place Google Services JSON that you downloaded in the previous steps and put it in the app folder of project. I already added it, and after that you need to go to the API client and change API endpoint path. Depends on your backend and your needs. It's different. If you use local backend and you testing on Android emulator, then you need to use this special path and the port same as in backend environments. This is the default one. You can change it, of course, but if you change it, you need to change it also. So then real device through USB, then you can use local host and port, but you need to send this command to so your device will pass forward to your local backend. And if you use cloud backend, then you in the end of installation you will receive URL, and you also can find it in web environments file. You can see it here. This value is automatically overridden by a script, so I can copy it, go to the API client and use this one. So at this point, your application should run and work correctly, and you can top up customer directly in Platfone retail dashboard. You can find your customer by ID, for example, and then you can add some money to this user. But in the production, of course, you need to configure some payments method so user can top up his balance. And if you want to use Stripe payments that allow to pay by credit cards, then you should follow this guide. How to install it in the backend, and in the app, in the client, you don't need to do anything because all the keys you will receive from API before you make an order. And if you want to add Google payments, you need to follow this guide of how to install it on backend. You already have a project in Google Play, and I added my products. It allows to verify purchases, and it allows to receive real-time developer notifications. So we receive notification when the user requests refund and from his account. So to set up in backend, we need to set Google Play enabled. It's a backend environment file. We need to set true here. We need to put our Google Play package name. We'll create the file. And we need to set up our products much money user will get on his account. This is in cents. You can find example in the billing constants file, so you can find it here. If you use different values, so of course you need to change product IDs, and you need to change amounts if you use different ones, and also in this enum you need to change the value in dollars. So then in our backend setup, we need to create service account key. To go here, choose our project, and we need to create service account. So you can choose any name. So for example, Temp Number Google Play, new for example, and then press create continue, done. And then you need to create key and download JSON file. So I go to my newly created file, and go to keys and add key, create new key. Choose JSON, and then our JSON file is automatically downloaded. Then you need to grant the service account access to our financials, and so you need to go to Google Play console, users and permissions, users permissions, and you need to invite new user and file that you downloaded, the file that you downloaded. You can find client email, copy it, and then copy it to Google Play console. Choose the app that you use and give financial permissions, and then press invite user. Then we need configure topic. So in Google Cloud Console, choose our project and create topic with some topic ID. And press create. Then you need to choose your subscription and choose edit. So we go to subscription, we created with that topic, choose edit, change start to push, and endpoint URL, we need to put our backend URL. So the same as here. And that webhook path. Then you need to change the try policy to exponential. You can leave default values, and also do not forget maybe to set expire period. What you want, I set never expire and update. Then you need to go to Google Console, choose the topic that you created, add and press add principles, and you need to put this value to principles and select role, pub sub publisher. And save. Then you need to go to the console, select your app, go to monetization setup, and you need to enable real-time notifications and fill the topic name with the name of created in Google Cloud Console. So the topic name here, you can copy it and pass it here. Select subscription avoided purchases and one-time products, and press save changes. After that, you need to put Google Play secret file in the backend secrets. You can find Google Play secret file. You already downloaded this file. We need to make it in one line. So I copied it in the compact way. So I can put it here and save the file. After that, you need to redeploy your backend, and Google Play should start working. So after this, you can test your app, and don't forget to switch later to production values, and hope you enjoy using our platform.